Hockey.com.
Yeah, and how about Suter, who only had 2 goals in the regular season, had gone 33 games without a goal, and the Stars double their money! Wyatt Johnston off the face-off, and it's 2-zip Dallas in the first.
The face-off. Jamie Benn has been so good at the dot. Joe Pavelski does an excellent job of cutting in there, creating space here for Wyatt Johnston. Wyatt Johnston leading this team in goals. That's his 5th goal of the playoffs in his 8th game. He loves to shoot the puck. He's 20 years old, turns 21 soon next week. But